Hi again. So just to test that the starter in this car have electricity, that there's no disconnection from the battery to the starter, this is a very simple solution and it can stay. You don't have to have any equipment or tester. It's just mini bulb. As you see, it has positive pole and a negative pole. You can see here, this is the violet wire. This goes directly to the starter. You just have to expose it, and you can stick this bulb here with a plastic wire or something like that. Very simple, just keep it this way. You connect it to the wire of the starter and cover it, of course, isolate it, and the negative part of this bulb will be connected immediately beneath those screws to the negative part. So whenever you have the ignition on, it will show light. If there is light in this bulb, which means that there is electricity here and here, which means the starter have no discontinuity, there's no disruption in the power supply to the starter. So if there is electricity, for instance, and the car doesn't crank, which means the starter is the busted part, not the electricity connections here. So it's very simple, straightforward. Actually, it's not my idea. This was installed in Italy. So it was a nice solution, because whenever I see it, I switch on the ignition, I see it always on, so I know that the starter have a power supply. If there's any problem, it's gonna be in the starter itself. Just wanted to share this idea. So once I realized that this is the starter cable, it was obvious that the electrician there wanted a continuous, permanent way to see that there is power supply to the starter. Hope you find it useful. I'm gonna remove it, of course, because I'm gonna install the new battery. See you in other videos. Bye bye.